Okay, good morning and welcome to a new trading daily outlook on my channel where I am showing you my way towards to become a consistent and profitable trader. Unfortunately, this is my second recording because I pressed the wrong button and the recording stopped and I missed, so everything was gone. So, because I just saw this happening, we took this trade yesterday morning. Yesterday, what time was it? 10:30 in the morning, and it played out beautifully. We hit our take profit. We actually got already we got our funded, but now we have a really big payout. Not big for me, it's big. €250. It's my very first payout is going to be. And right now on another challenge account, we shoot this extra short. So we just took this live, and for me, it's beautiful. We're just following the trend internally here. We want to go more and more down. This is the oops. Okay, and then yeah, we have our zones over here on the right, but I think it's so obvious. We also took our long over here in this area because we are entered in the 50 zone from the last drop, and we saw this beautifully played out. Then yesterday we went back into this supply zone over here, and we took our short because when we see look the first reaction was over here, but we were not ready yet to go down. We wanted to enter more and far into the supply zone. Once we did, I saw this happening and I thought, okay, this is the time we will short, and then we got our TP. We also made some mistakes. Just made a USD cut, as we were just explaining about what happening on gold. That is that we went on a very nice time frame into the shorts, but we didn't wait it here until the demand got supply got very good respected. So I'm really expecting stop loss over here. The market also kind of shifted a little bit, but I really expect to price to go up higher, take out this liquidity, and then we go down. So we will take this stop loss, and if not, we're just lucky. And yesterday, a really big lesson for me also. In the morning, we were frustrated because we missed out on this move the day before. I wanted to hit my entry here, and then I started to chase the market, place my limit here. As you can see, we tapped in very beautiful here, but then the price went straight through our stop loss. It is what it is. It's actually beautiful demand zone over here. Also, when we look back at this, yeah, it's got very nice respected. I was a little bit too biased. I played this move actually since here the short very well. I was too eager here, so I hit my stop loss. The same thing happened over here. We were too greedy. We didn't took liquidity out above the supply zone before we go down. So that's really unfortunate. We also took a trade on Euro US dollar yesterday. I'm actually also expecting my stop loss over here. We are a bit too greedy over here. Um, we're in on the daily. Actually, we are um, in our 50 zone in the last leg. Of course, we have this zone of demand. We tapped in here, same story as I just told before, and then we took out all the liquidity. So uh, it could be possible to go all the way more low. But in this very last leg, I expect a little push back up actually because we hit below the 50 zone. We tapped in this beautiful area. There's a lot of resistance or support, and yeah, from this area we decided to go long. We are a little bit too early, so but I cannot complain about this week anyway. If this stop loss is going to be hit, I know what my mistakes are. I'm gonna work on it. I actually played on this hiccup on the chart. You see also the resistance. Um, First, we were afraid we get a front runner. We actually sticked to our plan because our entry was here. We got our entry, and yeah, now it's most likely to get our stop loss get hit because I see what I did wrong. If not, we will be lucky, but it is what it is. It is an edge. We cannot win all the time. Um, yeah. What else we have? We just discussed gold, all the moves. We are in this trade right now, and yeah, I think this is gonna be a good trade. I want to enter the my targets over here. I didn't play this on my funded anymore. I don't want to take too much risk, even though I think this is a very beautiful one. And all the people who are sold in panic here and bought back in maybe here, they are trapped, and we will take them out, all of them. So many people got liquidated again. So that's why we want to go back in towards the shorts with gold. Yeah, I think for me the trading this week has been enough. I don't want to go too much back. I'm really doing well in gold actually. Euro GBP is one of the trades I'm sometimes still looking at. Let's see what we draw here before. We have had our demand zone here. We are entering towards a new demand zone over there. We will see what is going to happen because we kind of placed an yeah, a limit over there. So maybe we will just wait until this demand gets tapped out. I'm not too sure about this trade because we have a very strong move back up right now. But we start right now drawing our 50, maybe from the low. Okay, we are in premium zone. We can also drag it all the way back into the high. Okay, this it looks very nice. Maybe for a short later. Um, we have our beautiful area of resistance. Okay. Yeah, this looks actually quite nice. We'll see what's about to go happen. Big moves on GPP right now. Um, we'll just wait about what is going to happen here. This what also could happen later on is that we tap back into this supply zone, what is now a demand zone. So from there we can go back more back up into the highs. Anyway, I want to have a real bit confirmation if we can go back up on there. I just want to take a look on my most GBP CHF, what's happening. Okay, we tap in towards this zone. That's okay. Yeah, other than that, I don't really have an idea. I think it's enough for this week. We will do another review tomorrow and we will see if our trades didn't play out or did play out. I'm curious. I hope you too. And yeah, if you really like this content, I'm just trying my best, trying to get out of my comfort zone, trying to be as accountable as I can be towards myself. And that's the only way how I can learn from my mistakes, how I can learn from my emotions, and how to become a profitable trader. Hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.